seatbelts fastened and carrying items put away until the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful in opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Checked bags will be available at carousel number 8. If you have a receipt that says Claimant Gate, you can pick up your strollers, car seats, or other items right outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after you've arrived at the gate so we can better assist you. For information on connecting flights, baggage claim, you can check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. If this is your final destination, and you're planning to get a ride share like Uber, Lyft, or a taxi, please follow the signs to the designated pickup areas. We hope you've enjoyed the JetBlue experience. If you receive any email survey about your trip, we'd love to get your honest feedback. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially the spouse, the base, in-flight, and flight crew, thank you again for flying with us. We hope to see you again soon.